Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this, I'm going to compare the CPU throttling test comparison between all of these three smartphones which I got right now. Starting with the first one, which is a OnePlus Nord device, and second is a Poco F3 GT, and third is a Realme X1 Max device. So this is a test which I'm trying to do after the recent software update in the OnePlus Nord 2 as well. Let's see what will be the CPU throttling test comparison between all of these three Dimensity 1200 chipset. All the three smartphones, they do have the Dimensity 1200 and all are 8GB and 128GB variants. And the OnePlus Nord 2 and all these three smartphones, they did receive the recent software updates. Realme UI 3.0, MIUI 12.5.7 update, and the OnePlus December security patch update. So let's see friends, what will be the CPU throttling test comparison. And I'm not using any high performance mode. There is no high performance mode used during this process of demonstration. Let me to clear this gain space. I don't want to use any kind of gain space while doing this CPU throttling test. Let me to clear. I forgot to remove this. Yeah. Right now the CPU throttling application is completely removed from the gain space. That's fine. Now let me show you exactly what is the settings I'm trying to use. 100 threads and 15 minutes. Always remember friends, this is the same settings I'll try to use in every test. So if you try to use different results, different number, you might get different kind of results. So make sure you use my results and try to check in your device. So right now let me go back and let's start the test right now. The test has been officially begin right now, and I'll try to cover the temperatures, what's happening between these two phones again after some time. So maybe after getting close to 5 or 10 minutes of time, then again I'll try to check the temperatures between these two devices. Then we'll be able to understand slightly more details what's happening between these two phones and how is the graph maintaining overall during this process of testing as well. And this is the few things which I'll try to concentrate. And let me be back after 5 minutes of time. So right now look at the Realme X1 Max CPU throttling test, as you can clearly see friends. So we did see some kind of red color indication, and there is no red color indication yet in these other two smartphones, in the OnePlus Nord 2 and the Poco F3 GT. And now let's take a look at the temperatures. 3940.2 degrees is the highest in the OnePlus Nord 2, 40 degrees. Poco F3 GT reached about 35.4 is the highest. So 35.4 and 40 degrees. And 39.2, not bad. But the highest temperatures right now can be found in the OnePlus Nord 2. 40.6 degrees Celsius is the highest so far. 35.6 and 39.4. As you can see friends, with the temperatures, how it's maintaining, 39.8. And overall the temperatures are slightly higher in the OnePlus Nord 2 at this moment, and I'm going to be back after some time just to check what's happening with the temperatures between all of these three smartphones. So right now the time is about close to 11 minutes of time, and let's check out the temperatures. Wow, 41.6 degrees. I can actually feel the heat coming from the phone as well friends, because right now it's kind of winter season, right? So I can actually feel a little bit kind of, wow, that's pretty warm feeling getting from 42 degrees from the OnePlus Nord 2 and 36.6 degrees Celsius. And Realme X1 Max 41.6. Even the Realme X1 Max started to get, yes, both phones are pretty warm at this moment. Realme X1 Max and the OnePlus Nord 2, 41.8 degrees Celsius. 42.2. It's increasing friends regarding the temperatures, but 42. So Realme X1 Max and the OnePlus Nord 2, both phones did reach 42 degrees Celsius. And the Poco F3 GT is remaining around 36 degrees Celsius, because the performance decreased and even the temperature also slightly got decreased. 42.2, 42.4, it's like competition. So I will be back after 14-15 minutes of time, exactly at the end of the test. Then we'll be discussing more details. So right now, as you can see friends, we're getting close to exactly end of the test results, and now let's compare the temperatures. 42.6 degrees Celsius and 36.4 and 42 degrees Celsius. So definitely friends, the Realme X1 Max and OnePlus Nord 2 are exactly high temperatures. I mean very high, 42 degrees Celsius. And we'll try to compare the overall scores, what's happened as well. So regarding the final scores, these are the final scores which we got. If you want, you can pause this video and you can take a look at the CPU throttling, what's happening. And the CPU total up to 76% in the OnePlus Nord 2, 72% and 75%. Slightly higher in the OnePlus Nord 2, 76, not bad. But look at the maximum score, maximum 350, 354 and 369 in the Realme X and Max, highest score. After the Realme UI 3.0 only, friends, this kind of miracles are happening in this Realme X and Max. Before, it never crossed, I think, 3 lakhs 40. But after the Android 12 and Realme UI 3.0 update, the performance seems to be kind of great advantage. Not the battery. Battery backup completely got affected, but performance not yet. And average is 314 and minimum is 240. As you can see, not bad. So average and the maximum is highest in the Realme X and Max when compared with other phones. As you can see, friends, clearly what's happening. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this a quick comparison between all of these three smartphones regarding the CPU throttling test after recent software update. So which might give you a clear idea what's going on between all of these three Dimensity 1000. So this is what my main intention of making this video, comparing all three phones together, so you guys can actually have a clear look at and picture about all these three smartphones as well, what's going on. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.